guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my name is Sebastian and welcome to the Ultimate GATOR Car Wash Color. Do you want to see? Okay, check it out. There it is. It's my coolest start in the world. Let me show you how it works. Oh my god. Oh, the exit. I could exit. Let me get out of the exit. So let me show you how it works. Oh no, it dead end. Okay, let's get out here. Oh no, I'm getting trapped. Oh no, guys. The Ultimate GATOR Car Wash Color is the gator is eating the car. Okay, let's do it. I'm out of here. I'm escaping. Ah, run away! I'm running away. I'm running away. I'm hiding. Ah, they see me, catch me! Yeah! Oh no! Ah! I want to white. I'm white now.
What color is it?
White. It's white now. Wait, what? What? Wow, look at that. Look at that. There we go. Oh no, water. There it goes. There it goes, changing white.
Alright, Sebastian, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye to my channel, okay guys? Bye.
Say go like and comment and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe. Bye.